Belgium and France are moving closer to a bilateral agreement that could extend the operational life of Belgium's NH90 TTH tactical transport helicopters, originally slated for retirement this September due to steep upkeep costs and low availability. According to Flight Global, the two nations are finalizing an arrangement that would see the helicopters transferred to France's Aviation Légère de l'Armée de Terre, ALAT, for up to 2 years, while still fulfilling Belgium's transport needs during its transition to a new fleet. The plan would temporarily relocate Belgium's 4 NH90 TTH helicopters to the 3rd Combat Helicopter Regiment in Athènes, where they would be fully operated and maintained by French crews. This setup aims to give Belgium continued access to medium-lift capabilities without the financial burden of direct management. NH Industries President Axel Alacho confirmed that discussions between both governments are progressing well, with an agreement expected before the end of 2025. Belgium announced in mid-2024 that it had ordered 15 Airbus H145M light helicopters to replace its aging Augusta A109 Hirundo and NH90 TTH aircraft. The H145M is highly versatile and easier to maintain but lacks the heavy lift performance of the NH90, prompting Belgian officials to simultaneously explore the purchase of 8 larger helicopters. Until a definitive replacement arrives, reliance on France's operational support offers a stopgap solution. The deal would build on a recent long-term maintenance framework signed between NH Industries and NATO's NHIMA agency, covering nearly 240 NH90 helicopters across France, Germany, and Belgium. This cooperation helps offset criticism of Belgium's decision to phase out the NH90 TTH despite new sustainment measures being introduced for the platform. The naval variant, NH90 NFH, will remain in Belgian service for search and rescue and anti-submarine missions. The NH90 is a modern, NATO-standard multi-role helicopter designed by NH Industries, a consortium of Airbus helicopters, Leonardo, and Fokker. The TTH version is optimized for troop transport, carrying up to 20 soldiers or 2,500 kilograms of cargo, with a range of nearly 1,000 kilometers and speeds up to 300 kilometers per hour. It is equipped for high-threat operations, featuring door-mounted machine guns, advanced electronic countermeasures, and helmet-mounted night vision systems. Despite its capabilities, reliability issues have plagued the NH90 across Europe, with Belgian readiness rates dropping below 40% in recent years. France and Germany have experienced similar problems, although recent logistical improvements have begun to reduce downtime. Belgian Defense Minister Theo Franken has emphasized that retiring the NH90 TTH aligns with the military's long-term restructuring plan. Training programs for H145M pilots and maintenance crews will launch in September 2025 as the NH90 leaves Belgian service. However, the planned partnership with France offers a bridge solution, ensuring Belgium doesn't face a tactical mobility gap during its fleet transition, while showcasing a new model for European defense collaboration.